counts. If you can eat it, will yell at me.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. You gonna
Is
show
that
it?
the hand right
Yeah.
there?
Oh, I moved his hand. I saw it.
Did he move his
Yes.
hand?
Move around. Be nice.
Oh, there,
He's
huh?
waving.
Did he move his hand there?
Yeah,
A little,
his
yeah.
arm, yes.
They just, this age, as they get bigger, they'll move a lot more of it. They tend to just wiggle a little.
Cute.
We call it the baby dance. They don't do a lot yet.
He's really in there. Like,
Yeah.
really
He's in there all right, honey.
No, but I mean like cozy and
Yeah.
that little thing.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Cozy.
And the heartbeat.
You see the heart rate?
Mm-hmm.
It's cool.
Oh,
The little face.
so sweet.
Oh, there we go.
Oh.
Now you moved.
Oh, he's moving. Oh.
If you talk to the
Look,
baby.
look, he's really
it's
moving.
really
Oh my
cute. George, you
goodness.
see that?
yeah, I see it.
It's like it's oh my gosh, it rolled over.
Wow.
Did it really move there?
Look,
Yeah.
watch.
I have to move to catch up with you. Come on, baby. What'd you do? Did you totally turn?
Oh.
There we go.
Oh, yeah, that's a back arm. Oh, it's side?
Yeah, that's the arm. And the belly and the butt, the face again. And it's turning.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's
Wow.
totally moving around. Jordan's so cute.
Oh, there's a profile. They always look like they have their tongue out.
Oh, look at that.
Hi.
That's
Oh,
the profile.
my
Yeah. Now it looks
How,
now it's
how
looking
big
at
is
you.
the baby? 13
Oh, and now it's
centimeters?
face forward?
No, that's the machine. It's like about
13 weeks.
13 weeks or about 6 centimeters.
Oh, it's stretching.
Oh, 13
All right.
weeks.
You got
That's
it, Lot?
just about- Wow, yeah.
That was good.
That's just
The
about
baby's
right,
being
13.